Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today we're going to be checking out a product that seemingly goes unnoticed on the back of your vehicle, but absolutely looks awesome if you got a 2018 and newer JL Wrangler. Now what I've got in front of me is the Mopar Spare Tire cover featuring Jeep's camping design on the back. And as an avid camper myself and a Jeeper, this is one of the most perfect designs that I've been able to find on the back of a tire cover. As you can see, it features Jeep's iconic Willy badge on the bottom, as well as the mountains, a campfire, and a tent here, and two crossing arrows. Now I absolutely love the design, and it's one of the coolest things that Jeep has incorporated into the new JL. It's going to incorporate the reverse camera right on the back and fit onto any size tire on the brand new JL 2018 or newer Wrangler. Now another cool thing is that this is going to protect your spare tire as well as give you a nice durable look with the denim cover like this and the placement for your reverse camera. The design is awesome and it's going to work with your rear camera and most size spare tires. Now one thing for me is that I'm unfortunate enough to have a 37-inch tire and I can't run one of these tire covers, or you better believe that I would have one of these on the back of my JL. Now Mopar also offered a bunch of different designs, so you'll be sure to go on our website and check out all the different designs that are available for your Jeep Wrangler. Now if you're interested in this Mopar tire cover as well as all the other designs, make sure to go on our website. You can check out all the factory Mopar accessories for your JL Wrangler as well as many other great parts in the aftermarket world. Now until next time, I'll see you guys out on the trail, and if you want to check this out, go on our website and make sure you follow along on our social media. We'll be doing a ton of crazy builds with the brand new JL Wranglers like mine behind me, and you can check out these factory parts right like this. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.